Good morning, children. I hope you have all read the chapter very well. If you have read the chapter, you will be doing exercise C very easily. In this exercise, we have to rearrange the sentences according to the story. So, according to the story, the first one is Akbar heard Tansen sing and praised him. Second is Tansen said his master, Sant Haridas sang even better, but Akbar would himself have to go to meet him. Third is Akbar agreed to go. Fourth is Tansen sang in front of the master but made the same mistake many times. Sant Haridas sang to correct Tansen and continued to sing. This is the fifth one. Akbar thought the music of Sant Haridas was heavenly and wanted to know why Tansen could not sing like him. This is the sixth one. Tansen replied that he sang at Akbar's command, but Sant Haridas sang for God. This is the seventh one. Now come to exercise D. This exercise you have to do in the notebook in a good handwriting. Answer these questions. Where did Sant Haridas live? Sant Haridas lived in a hut. What was the condition that Tansen put before Akbar? Tansen asked the Emperor Akbar to go to Sant Haridas as a humble lover of music, not as an emperor of Hindustan. The third one is, why did Akbar have to go to Sant Haridas' hut? Akbar had to go to Sant Haridas' hut to listen to the music that was better than Tansen's singing. Question number 4. How did Tansen trick Sant Haridas into singing? Tansen tricked Sant Haridas into singing by making a deliberate mistake in singing. How did Akbar feel when he heard Sant Haridas sing? Akbar felt like hypnotized when he heard Sant Haridas sing. He had not known that music could be so heavenly. He had certainly never heard anything like it before. These 5 questions you have to fare in your fair notebook. Now come to exercise E. What do these lines from the text mean? Tick the correct answers. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the hall. 3 options have been given. The best one is, the beautiful music seemed to remain in the hall. Tansen was still singing. Rag Darbari was a difficult piece of music. So you put a tick over here. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough. He is tired of listening to him every day. He never gets tired of listening to him. He listens to enough music from him every day. So best answer is second one. Third is, I shall go as a humble lover of music. First option is, he will go disguised as a musician. He will go as a king who loves music. He will go to listen to the music and not expect to be treated as a king. The best answer is third one. Guruji sings for the one who is the king of kings. Guruji sings for God. Guruji sings for the most powerful king. Guruji sings for only one person. So the first one is the correct answer. Exercise F we won't be doing. Now come to exercise G. In the beginning of this syllabus, I made you do similes in grammar book. Now here also some of the similes have been given. These pictures have been given and you have to write the best suited one in the blanks. As swift as. So as swift as a deer. Deer is supposed to run very fast. So he is compared with the word swift. Second is as soft as wool. This wool will be here. As big as an elephant. As strong as a bull. Bull is supposed to be very strong. No other person is supposed to be as strong as a bull. To run like a river. River is supposed to run always. It never stops. So to run like a river. To grin like a cat. To strut like a peacock. Peacock is very proud of his beauty. So to strut like a peacock. And to be blind as a bat. As a bat is not able to see in the daytime. When you use similes, use to speak and to write. You paint pictures with birds and you sound very bright. Now you learn these similes also. Now come to exercise H. Who uses these objects? Circle the correct options. Drums. Who beats the drums? Musician, merchant, mason. So best answer is musician. You circle it. Brush. Architect, artist and alchemist. So the best answer is artist. It will best suited here. Stethoscope, clerk, chemist and doctor. So doctor is the best suited word with the stethoscope. Spade, gardener, electrician, plumber. Gardener. Hammer is used by the carpenter. You circle these ones. Now exercise I. Complete these words with EI or IE. If you know the spellings of these, you can easily fill them. I will send you the picture of these and you see these ones and fill it in the book. Now J exercise. Here we have to use future indefinite tense. I will tell you in simple future tense we use will and shall as a helping verb and first form of the verb. So here we will be choosing the first verb and according to the sentence we will circle them. On Monday we will visit. Circle visit the museum. Sita, will we go by bus? Yes, Sita, will you distribute these or notices? Where will we eat? After we see the museum, we will go to the park there. So bring some snacks and we will all share our food. If we are going on a picnic. Here the ing form is here, so R will be circled. Now K exercise. Fill in the blanks using will and suitable forms of the words given in the brackets. The cyclone will strike the coast late tonight. It will rain heavily all night. The police will help people living along the coast to move to safer places. Buses will take them to emergency shelters. Local schools will have emergency shelters too. Those in need will get medicines, food and beds. Tick the correct options. I will tell you where we use can and where we can use may. Can is used to show the ability and to give permission to the younger ones, or if we want to ask somebody of our same age, we can use can. Or may is used for showing possibility, for taking permission. So we will choose the correct one according to the sentence. Dash, you help me with the homework please. Can. We are asking. Can. So Sophie dash agree to our weekend plans. So here there is the possibility. So we will be using here may. Sophie may agree to our weekend plans. We dash see the bird. It is in that tree over there. We can see the bird. It is in that tree over there. You may find the test easier than you think. So here is the possibility. So may will be the correct one. I can wait for you outside the cafe. It shows the ability. So can will be used over here. Fill in the blanks. Akbar said, I dash listen to Tanzins for hours. His ability is shown over here, so can will be filled over here. I don't know if I may reach the stadium before the match begins. Dash you dance? Sheetal asked Ravi. Possibility is here. Mom may allow me to attend the musical concert this evening provided I help her with the household chores. Ramesh dash speak French fluently. So it shows the ability of Ramesh, so can will be used over here. Now come to exercise B. Complete these sentences to describe what Sant Haridas thought of Tansen and Akbar's visit. One day, you have to complete the sentences according to the chapter. One day I was in my hut. These are the wording Haridas is speaking. I was busy doing my daily chores. Tansen came to my hut with Emperor Akbar. He brought a Tanpura. Tansen asked me to sing. I said, I am long past the age for singing. Then Tansen himself started singing. Something was wrong. Tansen made many deliberate mistakes. Finally, I had to sing. Then Tansen and his emperor smiled. Now this chapter is complete. Children, you have to do fair the given questions and learn the word meaning and difficult words. Thank you all.